Today we are looking at integrals of trig functions with logarithmic integration. So we are going to be doing 23 through 27. I gave you 13 and 14 as review from yesterday, but so we'll be doing 23 through 27 for homework, and then 37 and 38 also reviewing just bounded integration. So I'm going to do number 26 so you guys can follow along. Use on page 347, you can see it here, use this table for help. It's going to be super helpful. We're going to be using this one right here for number 26. The number 26, they ask us to integrate c cosine x over 2 dx. And so if we look at page 347, we see that the integration of c cosine u du is going to equal the ln of c cosine u plus tangent u plus c. So all we have to do is find a u and find du and sub stuff in. Pretty straightforward in general. So over here, if you look, you will see that this right here is going to be our u. So I'm going to set u equal to x over 2. And so we know that du is just going to equal 1/2. So that means that we have to pull out a 2 here, right? So when we integrate, we're going to multiply this thing by 2 to balance this out, because du is going to have a half. So secant u du. Sorry, this needs a dx over here. So the reason we multiply by 2 is because this is written as 1/2. So if you come up here, I'll rewrite it down here. C cosine x over 2 dx, and actually I'm going to write, scratch that, secant u times du. So since u is x plus 1, x over, sorry, not x plus 1, x over 2, right? So we're good so far in terms of integration. But when we put the du in here, du is 1/2 over dx, or 1/2 times dx, which is not the same here. So in order to get this, we have to multiply this whole thing by 2, which is why I can pull a 2 out over here. So that's why I did that. Sorry I didn't really go over that earlier, but that's the reason behind that. Okay, so basic stuff. Find the u's. So this is going to become, I'm just going to follow this formula here. So c u plus tan u plus c, and now I'm going to plug in my u for all these u's. ln, oh sorry, I forgot the 2 times that. I'll just erase this, come down here. 2 times ln of x over 2 plus tan x over 2 plus c, and all of this is multiplied by 2. So that is our answer. Remember, just follow the formulas. You might have to get creative with combining some stuff, but it should be pretty straightforward. Yeah, and then 37 and 38 is nothing that we have not covered. It's just bounded integration. So have at it. Good luck.